Rainy season means more than chai and pakoras. It also brings health risks. Let us understand the problem. Monsoon means damp clothes, stagnant water, and high humidity. It's a perfect breeding ground for viruses, fungi, and bacteria. This could lead to cold, digestive issues, and fungal infections. First, humidity. How humidity causes infection. Constant exposure to AC can dry your nasal passage, which leads to fever, sore throat, cold, cough, and other diseases. In this case, arsenic herb can help you in recovering from the symptoms. Contaminated food and water can lead to digestive issues, diarrhea, vomiting, and many other digestive issues. Avoid outside food and drink purified water. In this condition, we can use Nux Vomica 30. If the symptoms of digestive issues are ignored, it can lead to gastroenteritis. And lastly, skin issues. Humidity and damp clothes increases the chance of fungal infections, especially on your skin. Itching, rashes, burning, and spots are visible if not taken proper care. Always change your wet clothes quickly to avoid these infections. For this issue, Calendula cream can be applied for faster recovery. Monsoon doesn't mean to fall sick. With homeopathy, healing can go hand in hand.